going to make you a really interesting thing, and it's slime. I've been waiting this for like 1 month, I think, and yeah, today we're gonna make some slime. And a lot of YouTubers make slime. But anyways, I'm going to show you the ingredients. We have like the beads and stuff. So here we have the two glow in the dark glue. So like if you have these, they actually go in the dark. So what you can do, you guys, before, if you have some glow slime, like you already made some glow slime, like these we're going to make right now, then put them in like a package or something, like a clear package or something, and then go ahead and put it in a really dark light, and then it will still glow a lot. Anyways, so I got this as a gift. Did not buy it, but we have the magical liquid. And get these before you get a slime set. And probably the slime set has everything. Like I got this from a gift too. So all of these are gifted. And then I'm gonna show you the thingies. So here is the beads, my letter beads. So the beads have the letters in it. I think I can spell my name in it. Whoa, right. So here it is the letter beads. It has stars and flowers in it too, and it has the moon in it. So many letters inside. And then we have more letter beads in here, but some of them are really like silver. And then we have these really cute ones. Let me open them because one of my favorites. That's crazy. You don't even have to open that right now. And we have the little one of my silver glitters. I'm gonna sprinkle it, some of them. It's really cool sprinkling them. So yeah, that is the one. And we got some more colorful beads right here. Whoa, sorry. So now we are going to, oh yeah, I have these mixer knives. I'm gonna use them. They're not dangerous. And I'm gonna use this to stir it. And we got this little glitter. And we have our bowl, and I guess we should start. And I have my scissors to help me if I need to. So we're gonna go ahead and okay. So we're gonna go ahead and start with purple because it's one of my favorites. So let's pour this on the bowl. I'm really nervous. Alright. It's not pouring. Oh yeah, it's coming out. Whoa. Come on, slime. Stand up. And put a lot of slime in there. So I finally got to put the glue in the mixture. I got somebody to help me. And yeah, so look at this goo. Gooey goo. Really cool, huh? It's like slimy and stuff. Alright, now we're gonna add the what is it called? It doesn't matter. Magical liquid. We're just gonna add the liquid for slime. Just a little bit, one at a time. A bit more. That, alright. I'm gonna mix it a little so it goes back and forth. There. It's getting a little squishy, which is really good. So it can make perfect icky slime. Hope it's not icky. Alright, we're gonna add a little bit more. Okay, so I got it a little bit in progress, but I think I need to mix more. You know what? Instead, it's already been 1 minute, so we're gonna go ahead and add 2 more drops of it. Just in case. The point if you get too much or how much liquid, you know. We're just gonna mix it up. The only thing that matters with slime is the texture. It yeah. The only thing that matters in slime is the texture and the glitterish. But we're gonna go ahead and, oh my god, it's getting good. It's not bad, it's getting icky, but wow, look at this. It's the best slime ever. Let's add some ingredients and then we'll mix it again. So we're gonna add some colorful pieces. See these? These? Really cool. I'm gonna add pink. Hold on. Ooh, this is the good texture. Alright, let's mix not really bad. Ooh, nice and slimy. Ooh, nice. Nice texture. Now let's add more ingredients. Alright, what about these sprinkles? Oh my god, this is not unstable. It's like iced tea. Alright, now I'm gonna mix it together. It's going everywhere. Yeah. Okay, so now it's time to open the Mickey Jiggies. Let's put some sparkles. Now let's open the pink one. Wait, how do we do this? I know. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and cut, okay, this pink. I opened the pink already. Put the green in. I think that's enough sparkles for now, right? That's a lot of sparkles. I think I should have not done that, but it's something, anything for a slime, you know. Anything for a beautiful, ugly slime. Okay, it's not ugly. Oh, this is cute. Let's take out some of it. And try this at home. Say stretch it. Yes. Look how beautiful it is. Like a pet paw. Okay. I mean, it is okay. So here is the slime. Really cute. Purple paw slime. It's like paw, a dog's paw. You know, paw. Right. Now we're gonna create the next greeny slime. Right. Stay there, little fellow. But let's just put it on our game. Woo! Spread it. Down. Right, I'm gonna use my black knife. Right. Black knife for this one, the pink knife for the purple one. Right, so we're gonna get to work to our business. Okay, so we've got slime in here. Okay, now we're gonna mix it, but look at this hilarious slime, guys. All right, are you ready to put the liquid already? Should be. Yeah, you should. So let's put the liquid, dear liquid. Come on, let's do this, girl. All right. Over here. I think I put too much, but I guess that's what slime deserves. I think you guys might be thinking I'm going to put ingredients, but no, I'm not going to, because I think it's too early. It has to be a little bit like this slime, like this slime. It has to be more like the purple slime if we want to put the ingredients in. It's early too. So. Okay, so. Alright, so. I think. Should we put on the ingredients? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, let's put on the ingredients. So we're gonna start off with the little beads. Okay, that's enough. And I'm gonna, since this is green slime, like the green slime, the yucky slime, I'm going to put the green stuff in there. The green glitter. But the green glitter is a little deeper than the glue, the slime glue. We're gonna go ahead and try to make this. Ooh. Alright, so. Oh my god, this is so sticky and Mickey. Right, what else ingredients can we add? Ooh, blue. Oh, sorry. Right. Blue and green go really good together. Like, really good. Hearts, hearts. Let's see what else we do. Hold on. Here it is. Really cute. Look how beautiful it is. So beautiful. It's like mermaid, like those mermaid pearls. You know, those mermaid pearls. It's really cool, and it's like that. Mermaid pearls reminds me of mermaids and pearls. Oh, this one is open. I'm gonna use some letters from my, I'm gonna pour this in some of the, it's gonna, ooh, cool, cool, cool. Here it is. Put a lot of letters in there. Let's put a lot of them. Right. So, now, I'm gonna put more pearls in there. You know what? I'm gonna put some pink in there. I feel like the hearts of it. Alright guys, now it's time to mix my slime. Mix, mix, mixture. Alright, are you guys ready to test it out? Test it? Alright. Ooh, it's just sticky a little bit, like, yes. It's a little sticky. Everything's flashing for me. Hashtag LOL surprise! Okay. The purple one looks like the LOL surprise t-shirt. The hoodie I'm wearing right now. The LOL hoodie. It looks really sticky. I think it's done. There and... Ooh, sick! Dude, sick. Sick slime. Alright guys, so here is the result of this slime. And now it's time to vote for the best slime and end the video. So I think I like this one because it's not sticky and it won't get over your hands. So I think I'm gonna vote the purple one. But here is the result of this slime. Here's the result of the slime. And here is the result of my favorite slime. And yeah, you guys, I vote this one. Here it is. Here's the both slimies. And yeah, you guys, that was it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. There's a lot of subscribers, and thank you for